Okay, so there's 3 shortcuts for proving that triangles are similar. We already learned the one in the last lesson. If 2 angles are congruent, then they're similar. Remember the angle?
Yeah.
Okay. So the 2 that we're adding today are SSS and SAS. Now, they spell out the same thing as before. Okay, everyone put their iPads away. They spell out the same things, but they don't mean the same things. Angle means 2 angles are congruent. I should say 2 corresponding angles. Side means all 3 sides are proportional. So you don't need to check the angles. If they just give you the sides, you check that. SAS means 2 sides are proportional. The angle between them, it has to be in between the 2 sides, or the angles between them are congruent. Okay? So it's really the same type of lesson as before. You're going to be given a picture, and you got to say whether or not they're similar, and then you got to give the reason why. So here's a couple of them. Okay, so in these sets of pictures, just like in the last assignment, you got to say yes or no if they're similar. The difference is now, if they are, you got to give which one of these 3 reasons makes them similar. And again, you got to write the similarity statement. So looking at this, we don't know any sides. None of the sides are labeled. So that means the only thing it could possibly be is angle. We know these 2, which means 80 and 40 is 120, which means that would be 60. So there you can see. These 2 are 80, these 2 are 60. So angle makes them similar. And then you got to write the similarity statement. Triangle XYZ is similar to RQP. Remember, you got to put them in the same order, the 80, the 60, the 40. So in this one, we know 2 sides and an angle, which means we got to check if this is true. We can see that the 2 angles are the same, and they are in between the 2 sides. So we just got to see if they're proportional. This side is 6, corresponds to 9. That reduces to 2/3.
2/3, yeah.
This one is 5 to 12, which doesn't reduce. So are they proportional?
No.
No. 2/3 and 5/12, so all you do is you just put no. Alright? Looks like it's almost starting up. So really, that's all that we're doing. Okay.